As a content creator, I am always looking for ways to save time, but today I came across one that I didn't quite expect. Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, which is Creative Fabrica, for partnering with me on this video. But I also want to thank all of you because if it wasn't for years of support from you guys, I wouldn't get opportunities like this. So thank you so much. It truly means a lot to me. So let's jump right in. I am currently working on a vintage graphic design project, and nothing saves me more time than Creative Fabrica. With all of their images, fonts, bundles, everything you need to create is all here. But I'm going to focus on AI today because I found some pieces that I absolutely loved. However, I needed to make some modifications. So on the first one, I did find this old paper texture, which is going to work perfect for my vintage project that I'm working on. So whenever I downloaded this, if you go down here and scroll right underneath, you can click on Edit with the AI Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and click in here to edit in the AI Studio. And I'm going to go ahead and upload the image because this was a bundle and there was only a few pieces. So this is the piece that I'm wanting, which is the old vintage paper. And I love the texture of this paper. The only thing is that I really want to change the color. So I'm going to type in here, can you please change the color of this to an antique, dusty rose color. And let's see what this generates for us. Okay, so this is exactly the color that I was looking at. If you can tell the difference between this, which was very brown, and I really wanted this dusty antique rose type color, and this is exactly what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and download this image and then on to the next piece. So I needed a few pieces for the antique graphic design project I am working on, and one of them was this phone. So I'm going to go back into the AI Studio, and I already downloaded this, and I'm going to upload this antique white phone. Okay, so here's our antique phone here, and I love the phone. The only thing is it's not really the color that I want it to be. And plus, I kind of want to add some cottage core elements on somewhere around here. I'm going to tell it to add some cottage core roses. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my prompt, which is, can you change the color to a vintage, dusty green and add some pink cottage core roses near the bottom of the phone. And we're going to click generate and see what it comes up with. This is exactly what I was looking for. So here was the original, and here is what it came up with. And absolutely love this, so I'm going to go ahead and download this as well. Now, for the last piece, the next piece that I'm going to work on is the vintage frame. And one of the things I love about this is down here, and this is on some of them, not all of them, where you can edit the theme. So if I click here on edit theme, you can go ahead and click make it Halloween, make it Christmas, birthday, wedding, autumn, spring, Valentine, Easter, whatever you would like for it. You can also click over here where it says edit style, and you have a bunch of options to choose from: watercolor, illustration, kids coloring page, vintage, retro. You can even pick cottagecore here, boho neutral. There's so many other things you can pick from. But I think for now, I'm going to go ahead and stick with just the studio. So I'm going to go down here and click into the studio. And I'm going to go ahead and type, let me upload my image, my reference image. So here's my frame. And I like it, but it's just still that gold color, and I'm really wanting a vintage pink. So this time I'm going to try something different and see if it comes up with just a little bit of a different color. And let's hit generate and let's see what it comes up with. This is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. So here was the original. And here is the image that we have changed it to. And I'm just absolutely loving how this turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. So back to Creative Fabrica, there are so many options that you have to choose from: fonts, images, paper crafts, needlework, laser crafts, 3D printing, bundles. I love the bundles and the fonts. So there's just so many things that are going to save you time. I'm going to be doing some more videos on this as well, so make sure you stay tuned for those. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget, you can click my link below, and you can also get your free 10 downloads when you download my link below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.